there's just a lot at stake here, you know? We're talking nation versus nation. The race is still on. There's lots to discover out there, man. I guess the call came in on a Friday. Nate and I were at Ben's for a barbecue. Just a few beers, you know, maybe more than a few. With Ben's cooking, you definitely need a few. Nate took the call with Milton, and Milton said 18 was back on. But it was classified DOD, top secret. Asked, you know, are you okay with that? And it was like, are you kidding me?
I come from a family of military pilots. Duty can sometimes outbalance a private life. Make choices. Keep moving forward.
Should try this.
NASA already has something like 800 pounds of rocks, so why we need more, I don't know. But hey, if it means a trip to the moon. Placing cameras, we got these Westinghouses all over the place.
Well, I think the way it's being explained
is strawberry.
They're using a Saturn V
it's
to
pretty
launch
good.
Classified
Makes out the
payload,
flavor.
Which is meant to be very large, very heavy, and apparently unmanned. Apparently.
Placing these high-frequency transmitters, part of some early warning anti-missile defense system against the Soviet Union. These PSD-5s are kind of like high-tech radar scanners. They should pick up and track anything we can't. Gotta keep a little eye on the Russians there.
Would have been nice to tell my wife. Laura had been by my side the whole time, and she thinks I'm off doing a training exercise with the Japanese Space Agency. Ryan, my boy, would have nice to tell him his old man's going to the moon. I would have loved to have brought him a souvenir, maybe a moon Ralph. I don't know, maybe one day.
Ben was always first in class, and I was always right at his heels. Yeah, man, I'm a little jealous that he'll be moonwalking with Nate while I'll be all by my lonesome pilot in the orbiter. So my job is essentially to make sure I bring us home safely. Look, let's face it, these missions are result-oriented, and we can't afford to fail here now, can we?
Things can't go wrong, things do go wrong, it happens, but you just gotta push that out of your mind. It's just not an option. I'm proud to do it for these guys. I'm proud to do it for my country.
Tastes good. Can't film my camera.
Christmas lights. Bring any Christmas lights back?
No, not me.
You ever seen anything like that before?
No, sir. It's amazing.
Got my camera. Got it.
Earth and all her
Okay,
glory.
that's all finished.
That's a good-looking boy. Sure is yours.
Watch it.
He's a good kid. He's got big shoes to fill in. Big old moon boots. So, Nate, you wait all this time to put your foot on the moon and you get to be number 13. How do you feel about that?
You gonna be okay with staying behind, John?
Oh, you know, it'd be nice to have some alone time. It's getting crowded in here. I'll keep a light on for you, boys. Don't stay out too late, man.
In a couple of days, Mark.
Roger that. See you in a couple days. Houston, this is Freedom preparing to unlock Liberty, over.
Okay, 18, you're good for undock in 4 minutes.
John, is the tunnel vented?
Roger that.
feeling of it.
Looking good.
This tastes amazing.
Mission last time.
A little
4 days,
bread
6
crumb on
hours,
here.
33 minutes.
The strawberry probably be the last
Leveling off.
thing
Finger down.
that I'm gonna eat after this cake is done.
12 o'clock. Next to the rim, pretty rocky area. Mark it. 430 feet. Down 15. 25 forward. Houston, we have a program alarm, 1201. Roger, go 1201. You want to think about revisiting that approach?
And after that, I'll tell you how I feel about it. And I think you should try it. If you got a local juniors near your neighborhood. It's called Strawberry Shortcake if you didn't read the title of the cake.
Contact light. Stand by for T1, stay, no stay. Engine arm on. Stay for T1, Liberty. Houston, you give that man a cigar. I'm up here, that look very pretty. Excellent touchdown. Oh, are you talking to me or Nate? Well, I'm talking to you both, kid.
December 25th, 1974, MET, 4 days, 9 hours, 23 minutes, Commander Nathan Walker. DOD Mission Report 1A. We're day 1 of our 2-day mission, prepping
The
Grevio 1
breadcrumb of it
and pedals.
This is Thomas Young to follow mission control.
and that strawberry syrup
Looks like 5 reels, 10,000
Ding.
feet Kodachrome.
made the cake taste even greater. If you try it. Remember, put that on if you want to. I'm just saying.
Button up good, boys. We don't want anyone catching cold.
Might be able to finish this sooner.
Hope here a little smaller.
It's like an eating review. It's like cake tasting review, probably. I guess.
We're taking out first batch on the down pole.
I might do game collection.
I prepared a speech, but
Probably.
no words can describe how it feels to be here. Rock formations everywhere. Sun is low on the horizon. Amazing.
Let me know in the comment section what you think about this cake.
Free to read you loud and clear, Liberty.
Would you get this cake or would you give it a pass? For me, I'll just get it because I like it.
Perfect. Call that a salute? Okay, let me go show you with a limb in the background. That looks like a Navy salute to me. Wait a minute. I gotta get this. Promise Lauren Ryan it's been Christmas. This is all going back to the Department of Defense.
Strawberry.
No one's ever gonna
Look at that.
completing Westinghouse job.
That's the last.
Sounds good, Nate. Standing by. Partial sensor is tracking you perfectly, Nate.
I'm about to end this. I'll eat the strawberry off camera. Just let me know in the comment section. Remember. Peace.